don't show up, don't come out.
Okay, so you go to camera, and basically this is where you actually make your thumbnail. So like the only one. So we basically go to the image size, and it will be 1280 720 because that would be the size of your YouTube screen. Okay, done. And then you can just play with it, honestly. Play with your color and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna they're really hard to choose. Oh wait, no, I don't want that. Okay, and then make that white. Kind of want it to be like that. Here. Then I'm gonna use this. You just kind of play with it, and then you add what you want to. So how to make a. Oh, that was a handwriting that I used before. So I want to go somewhere here in the S area, because like this is I can't read it, Sakrama, I don't know, like I really like this one, so make it a bit small, put it here, and then another one, just thumbnail. Oops, I want it to be capital. Thumbnail. Oops, thumbnails. I'll just do that and then do it that way. And then my font. Hold on. Where is it? I think it was like M. Oh no, that's here. I guess it would be here. Come on, it has to be here. Oh, here, mission script. There we go. And the size, be a bit big, not too big. This really does help. And then the size, this would be a bit small. And then I want to like put an image of like a phone in the Fonto app, because it would do kind of just. I hope you get what I mean. So what I did here, so I got it transparent, and what I basically did, I went to Google, I searched the Fonto app logo, and then I apologize. I have I have this app called Eraser. So what you do is you download Eraser. It would have a picture of a rubber erasing, which looks like this squares. So yeah, and you go to target area, not target color, like reveal the target area, and you press where you want it, and it will have something like this. So and then I wanted to put up a phone, so I just see. So I did the same thing with the phone. I just went online and written phone, and so yeah. And I did the same thing like I did to the Fonto. And yeah. And there we go. Okay, then you go to the save, and you just, like I said, you just save it. Okay, and then I make my movies on, iMovie. So I made one here, as you can tell. It was kind of the same. And what you do, you're gonna go here, for example. I'm going to remove it anyway, so you don't need to worry. And then go to photos and it will be saved automatically. Here it is.